Okay, I am completing the part 2 of the Google Docs Advanced project for the EdTech Credit Program. First step is to use the Find and Replace feature to replace D128 with District 128. Click Replace All. Next step is to change this checkbox to a check mark. Right click. The next step is to move this document within Google Docs into a different folder in my Google Drive. Right now I have it in a tech folder that I created. I'm going to move it just out one level to my EdTech Credit Review folder. The next step is to use VoiceType to type the Pledge of Allegiance. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. Looks like it missed a few words, so I'm going to try that one more time. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. For all. Alright, I think that's close enough. I'll just delete the extra word. Okay. The next step is to use the research tool, which is no longer in or integrated in Google Docs. I put a note in my review document, my feedback document. So I'm not going to do that one. I'm going to add a word to my personal dictionary. Let's add the word Riemann, which is a type of sum in calculus. I'm also going to skip the step that says copy and paste 3 different sentences from this document to the web clipboard. The web clipboard is also no longer a part of Google Docs. I've added that to my feedback form. I'm going to publish this doc to the web. And I'm going to click Publish. And it's asking me to add the published link to your Google Docs Advanced Project document. So I'm going to hit Control-C to copy. And I'm going to add that link right here. And then it says, from within this doc, email this doc as an attachment to the given email address. So I'm going to select email as attachment. And I'm going to attach this as a PDF, I think. I'm looking right now and I don't see specifically the format that it's looking for, so I'll just leave it as a PDF, d128etc@d128.org. Here is my project. And at this time, I am going to stop my screencast and post it to YouTube and share it publicly. Thank you.